Hey guys, this is Pam, your favorite paralegal and notary public from Brooks Notary and Litigation Support. I'm going to do a quick video today about how to register for the California notary exam. Someone sent me this question the other day, so I told her that I'll go ahead and do a quick video just to kind of help her get to the process so she knows what's what. So first we have to go to the Secretary of State website, as you can see, Shirley Weber. Make sure this is always in the top left corner. You know you're in the right place. And we're in the notary and apostille section. We're already here. And then we just scroll down to Notary Public. Excuse my little bubble. And then we're going to go down. We're going to scroll down, and then you see where it says here, register for the exam. Click on that. And then we're going to scroll again, and we'll go down to testing information. And so for the testing information, this shows you here who the proctors are. They're the ones who administer the test. It tells you how long it takes for them to process your results, 15 to 20 days. Currently, that's what the timeline is. And you will get your exam results online. And so then we have here, you see registration. And this shows you the locations. Let's just go ahead and see if we can open that up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This has the examination dates, okay, and locations. So you would select your location, your date. You just find the day. I mean, we're past all these days now. Let's see. All right, so here, August, July 24th. Okay, so as you can see, these are the dates, the locations that we have. When I took mine, I actually went to El Camino College when I was in California. I went to El Camino College to take mine. Right now, I believe that they are required to take the exam in person in California. You have to go to an actual location. Unlike Nevada, it allows you to take your exam online, take your class online and your exam online right after. But in California, you have to take your class, which you can take online. You just have to choose a approved vendor. So as you can see, approved vendor list. Now, I don't know if it's an actual list, because I remember last time I had to, you had to go through, and it pulls up like tons and tons of notary classes, and I got overwhelmed. I couldn't do it. So let's go back. And so you just keep scrolling down, and this gives you a bit more information. It's about the requirements. And just so you are aware, this is important to know. So this is the proctor. So the Notary Public section is from the Secretary of State. And they've contracted CPSHR Consulting to conduct its regularly scheduled examinations at established test centers throughout the state of California. So the list I showed you, they're all of the locations are going to have someone from this organization there to run it. And then, of course, again, it's just another space for test schedule, all that good stuff. And this is more information about the process, the steps that you can expect. So I'm going to put this link in the description. So if we follow the link and we click on Request Information Packet, so when you click on that, it's going to take you to another page, and you can download the 2021 Notary Handbook, okay? Let's see. Yeah, so here you go. So this is the 2021 Handbook. I carried mine with me all the time. I printed it out and carried it all the time. It's very important. They have templates in here for the certificates, and they explain to you what they do, what each form is. And as you can see here, this is how it's supposed to look. And you remember in my previous video, I said that all of the California certificates need to have this little box. So I got that information, from the Notary Handbook because they updated, So that's the Notary Handbook. I'm just going to go back to our previous one. And then exam schedule, but you guys already saw that. Yeah. So we just click here, and it'll pull up the same sheet that had the locations and the dates. And then we have testing information. Now this is important because it lets you know, it gives you like tips on how to prepare for the exam. And they put in bold that it's closed book. Oh wow, that highlighted everything. Okay. That it's closed book. So go through, take a look, get some information. They have links that's very helpful for you to learn what you're getting into. It tells you what your score has to be in order to pass. So it has to be at least 70. And it just goes into a bit more information. It tells you about the processing time, but we saw that on the first page. And your fees. So this tells you how to pay. Of course, no checks or cash. So this has all your information. You guys can also go to the contact page if you guys had specific questions for the proctor who's going to be overseeing the examination. You can come here to the contact us page. You can call them. You can send them an email. You can also contact the Secretary of State as well for more information. If you found any of this information useful, please feel free to support the channel. If you can like, share, and subscribe. I also have CashApp and PayPal. If you guys want to, give your girl a tip, just a smidge. But yeah, so if you guys want to hit me up, I read my emails, I read my DMs. So if you had any questions, feel free to DM me. You can comment on the video. I'll respond to every comment. And as I said before, my handle for everything is @BrooksNotary. So for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, @BrookNotary. My website is brooksnotary.com. If you guys want to pick up some merchandise, it's bnlsstore.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.